Hey guys, so today I'm going to make you a guided tour of a city called Larnaca in the southeast of Cyprus. This is the third biggest city in Cyprus with a population of 72,000 people. And I'm going to do you a guided tour of the promenade, and this area is called Finikoudes beach area. So let's see what it's like. This is the 17th of January in 2023. I just arrived yesterday. I wanted to come here for some winter sun, because Cyprus is one of the hottest places in Europe in the winter time. It's hotter than Spain, it's hotter than Portugal, it's hotter than Greece. And I do recommend it here in Cyprus for winter sun. So straight ahead we have a nice coffee shop called Coffee Island. And if you go down that street there, just on the left side, you get to the famous church, the 9th century church here. And that church is a combination of Byzantine architecture, Gothic and Baroque. And you just go to the end of this street and you get to that fabulous church. It looks absolutely magnificent to look at. So let's show you the prom and what it's like then in the winter time. So to the left side we've got a convenience store, and then we've got a promenade just lined with palm trees, and every single palm tree looks just absolutely perfect. The palms are lovely on this prom. And this Finikoudes beach area is famous for the palm line prom and all the bars and restaurants along the front. This is the city centre of Larnaca. This is where it all goes on. If you look to the right, you've got the beach. It looks a bit darker than usual just because it's about 5:30 at night, and it's the middle of January now as well, so that's why, but it's all yellow in the summer. And to get here, you get the bus from the airport. You can get the bus number 425. It takes about 15 minutes ride from the airport, and it costs about €3.50 to get here. There's lots and lots of buses going from the airport to Larnaca. It's the easiest resort to reach actually, because it is so close to the airport. And the bus driver, he calls the names of all the hotels on the way. So I'm really glad I saved money and got the bus yesterday. So straight ahead we have the Alexander restaurant. They're offering Cypriot fish and fish specialities. I'm just thinking where to have my dinner tonight really. There's so many restaurants here, I just don't know which one to choose. There's the Kalamaki bar and restaurant there, straight ahead. Next door you've got the betting shop where you can go to gamble and play games. It's called Onan. We've got the Truck Inn restaurant just there, straight ahead, just behind the car. Let's see, there it is. As you can see, all the bars and restaurants are open here. Now, Larnaca is a city where people live for the whole year. I met people in the pub last night. They live and work here. They do their jobs in English as well. There was people from many different countries there. It's not only a tourist resort like Ayia Napa, which is more, you know, a seasonal tourist resort. It gets very, very busy in the summer, busier than here in the summer actually. But it's quieter out than here in the winter time. So opposite we've got a bar called Bay Street with a really nice terrace. The people are finishing work now, so they'll be out in the bar soon. And the biggest airport in Cyprus is Larnaca Airport, so that's where you fly into mostly. Last year I flew into Paphos Airport, but Paphos Airport is on the west side of the island, the southwest, and this is the southeast, so it's about 4 hours away by bus. You've got all the chains there, Fridays, KFC. Just stop and have a look at the prom. There's so many palm trees. And you can see there they've got like things for the children there on the front as well, like a playground area. It's nice for families. And I noticed yesterday the hotel was really, really busy. I'm really glad I stayed in the Rise Street Hotel, and I do recommend it. It's a fantastic hotel with designer rooms, like you had the Michael Jackson room. I'm in the Elvis room. And it's got a hotel bar, a sports bar, and it's got a rooftop bar. So it's a really cool place to stay. In the bars here, a pint of beer is about €5 in most of the bars, some of them €4.50. So it's not as cheap as Paphos. Paphos is much cheaper. I found in Paphos last year, most of the bars are about €2.50 for a pint of beer, or €3. So it is a significant difference in price here. There straight ahead, you've got a lounge bar called Vivid. It's got a lovely terrace there as well. And the promenade is mostly high-rise because it's full of hotels. Like there on the left side, you've got the Las Palmeiras Hotel, the white one. A bit further on, you've got the Sun Hall Hotel. That would also be a good location to stay in. You've got public toilets here along the promenade, as you can see on the right. That's handy. And today you can see all these big boats, big ships in the sea. They look like cargo ships or something. They're not like, there's no small yachts there, they're just big boats. But Cyprus is famous for hosting the military. A lot of military lived here in the past, from the British Navy and the British Army. You've got all your chains here on the left side, like Starbucks and Burger King, obviously, and Cafe Nero. We've got Costa Coffee opposite my hotel. There's the name of this beach area. It says, enjoy Finikoudes. I certainly will enjoy it because it's 0 degrees right now in Poland. And I've got here and it's been about 20 degrees today. It was lovely and sunny. And I've got a 2-week holiday here, so I'll travel around Cyprus. I'll be going to Ayia Napa in a few days. Check out Ayia Napa, one of the most popular holiday destinations. Look out for my tours of Ayia Napa, guys, as well. And please give some comments on this video, and please give some likes as well. Always appreciated. So on the left side, you have a mini fairground for the children. Oh, I love those tall palms. And to the right side, you can see the beach. Something there in the middle, some pillars there in the middle as well. So this is in the Greek part of Cyprus. The north of Cyprus is the Turkish part, that's the smaller part, and the majority of Cyprus is Greek. Some towns in Cyprus do have English names as well because of the British history. It was a British colony in the past. There's the Ocean Basket restaurant there on the left side. I've seen that on TripAdvisor, I know that's high up. Might give that a go actually. And it's the evening time, it's nearly 6 o'clock and I'm out in my shorts and my t-shirt. It's quite warm really. And there on the left side you've got Pizza Hut and some other chains as well. And the one just across on the left there, that's the Sun Hall Hotel. The promenade's a really nice place if you like long walks and speed walking. Let's have a look at all these restaurants here. And the currency here is euros, guys, so just bring euros with you. And with regards to plugs, it's the British 3 plug. It's not the European 2 plug. That's what I didn't realize yesterday when I got to the hotel, because I live in Poland now and I use the 2 plug. And I realized that I needed an adapter plug. It's a 3 pub, the same as Britain. So as you get further on down this way, then you get to the harbour of Larnaca and you have all the nice yachts, so it's definitely worth a look. And I also recommend you a visit in the opposite direction, about 30 minutes behind me, going up to the Salt Lake. There's 4 salt lakes up there where you can see flamingos and ducks. It's got like walking trails down there, and it's also got a beach there. And that's definitely well worth a visit to see those pink flamingos. It's a very important area for nature and wildlife here. So on the left side you have the Larnaca wheel. It's like the Larnaca Eye, where you can see everything in the city if you go on that up to the top. It doesn't look like it's running today because it's just like a Tuesday and it's in the winter time, so I'm not sure. But guys, thank you very much for watching my guided tour today. and please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Travel with Col, and that's Col with a C-O-L. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.